Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So welcome to Ifitedum in Anambra State. So this is a wedding between our Igbo bride and Kwara. Her groom is from Kwara. So I step into the environment because it's a mini wedding and they wanted to do it a low key because the next day will be their white wedding, which will be a bomb. So it was a mini wedding. So when I stepped into the compound, everywhere was still unkept and they were doing some arrangement and the decor people. So this was their picture stand. They have already set everywhere. So at a point I started to come down to know how far with the decor and everywhere was set and filled up with people. So everywhere was set and I came up and this is the makeup artist setting up the environment, setting up her lights, setting up her chair, and these are her friends that came to support her, and these are the photographers. They just came in. So the makeup artists have already set up the chair and set up everywhere. This is our lovely bride, and she's very shy and she's a clown too. She's so funny. Her friends came to cheer her up, and this was when she was doing her transition for her TikTok and Instagram too. So this was her best friend over there, also sitting down waiting for her makeup, and this was her sister and her friends that came to cheer her up. Wow, it was a mind-blowing event, even though it was still a mini wedding. Everyone was there to cheer her up. Couple with the bride was she was so happy, and she's equally a funny lady. I enjoyed the I enjoyed, I enjoyed this episode. Like this was when she remember one song like that she wanted to use for her transition. Like it was so funny working with this bride. Like I enjoyed it. Her aunties came with her children to greet her, and this was when she told the kids to come and greet her very well. This was when she was telling the other guy, the young boy, that she knows him very well, and the photographers, everyone was there. The environment was all blessed and all glowing. Because it's a mini event, like a mini wedding. What I mean by a mini wedding is a low key wedding, a low key traditional wedding whereby it's just the kinsmen of the girl and kinsmen from the groom that will come together. And this was when she was putting her contact lens. This girl is a clown. She's so fun, and this was her best friend. I just got to capture every moment. And this was the bride when they were doing her makeup. Everywhere was ready. She was set. The makeup was almost 95% gone already, and everybody wants to take the picture. Everybody wants to get the picture. And this was her friends. This one went to sew her gele. She's back. She's so happy because her friend have done her makeup, and the bride's almost ready for her makeup. Man, guys, this was a mind-blowing event. Even though it was still small, I still enjoyed every bit because this bride made the event so much lively. I came outside. Oh my god, everywhere is already set, ready. The cake is there already, everything, and she's almost done with her makeup. The videographer was like taking the pictures, taking the video, and that was his assistant over there. I just have to get every moment because we barely see a mini wedding in Southeast. It's always so blooming and so glamour. This is it. She's ready, and this is me tying her scarf, getting her ready for her photo shoot. Guys, stay tuned for the tutorial of this girl. Meanwhile, let's continue with our story time because it will be a story. Guys, don't turn off this channel. Stay glued to this channel if you want to enjoy Premier Boza, because you see this bride, like you see her in her full character. She's such a funny and a lively lady. Like, I enjoy this wedding. I really do. So you see, I'm tying two scarf. I tied two scarf. I'm not yet done. She's also happy. She was looking at herself through the phone because I placed a phone in my phone holder. So she was looking and was like, wow, who is this fine girl? And everybody there was also complimenting her, also coupled with the fact that the girl, I'm not yet done and is giving everything it should. You know, when you're working with bride and tying girl, you expect the makeup artist to chip in because she's not yet done and she feels like she wants to do some touch up. So it's quite understandable. And this was her best friend over the other side. So guys, it was so fun. I'll tell you guys, just stay tuned to this channel. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment. Like, guys, stay glued to my channel because I'll bring to you different kind of traditional wedding. Oh my god. So this was the photo shoot. This girl is so funny. And this was when her husband is so shy, like the girl is so lively and the husband is so shy. So I think this is a match made from heaven. Yeah, it is because this is a perfect couple. So the husband is Yoruba, and this was when they are telling them to get ready to. So you know this photo shoot of a thing because it was a mini wedding. They said to do a photo shoot so they will get see love now, see love now, see love. Hey, Jesus. Jesus. I wanna love, oh, I wanna love me. So she was so tired, yeah. So guys, you know, during a photo shoot, especially when a photo shoot is being done in the girl's family, you expect a lot of distraction. This was when the videographer was like to like do this, do that, you know. He's not Igbo, so he doesn't understand all this. He doesn't understand that a man should be gala gala. When I mean gala gala, like a man should be. So the guy was so shy. I said, Omo, I can't do this. Hello guys, I can't do this. This is not for me. So the videographer was like, okay, let's try this consent. So it was so calm here. They did their stuff. So guys, listen to this bride's interview. It's a mind-blowing one.
I wanted to say something. I forgot what I wanted to say. Calm down. Can you remember? I wanted to say that they are exchanging me for yam today. It will be lovely. I want to say it now. I want to say it in English. No problem. Okay, I don't know how to say. Okay. Tata wo umbose. Achi wonwem. She wants to say it. In place of me. Oh yeah. I'll mix it. I started. 5, 4, 3. Tata boss and exchanging with yam. Cause the novice yam all yam. So I exchange yam with yam. No win, no loss. Nobody is losing because he's gaining yam and also he's also giving them yam. But I'm the sweetest of the yams. You get it? So you're not sure. I want you to like hype your husband now. Yeah. So Odinobi, Mokoma, Odogum, Mokene maybe, Mokene mego, Mokena spoil him, Mokena love him too much. Ella, why come we're not doing this?
Okay, so this is what you do now. I'm going to 4, 3, 2, action.
Nekwadim, nwoke mara mma, negodi nwoke, nwoke bụ pịnọpịnọ, asa ebube, odogwu ebube, odogwu m, nwoke na-emebi m, nwoke ji ego, nwoke na-emete m mma, nwoke lovelu too much.
Yes, yeah, it's good.
This was our best friend interview. It was a mind-blowing too. She said, guys, listen to it.
And I'm so excited to be witnessing our wedding ceremony today. I wish herself and her husband all the best, all the blessings that come with marriage, children surrounding their table, and many, many happy more years to come. Congratulations, my love.
So guys, they are done with the photo shoot, and she's now waiting for the bride price to be fully paid before she comes out. So before then, she remembered that she have not taken pictures with her cousins and her sister, so she called them and equally called her friends to take pictures. Oh my god, I felt emotional. Oh god. So guys, so these are her friends hyping her, like friends like this always easy to see, and it was so nice seeing them doing this stuff. Like I felt so real good because so this was when she's about coming out to greet her husband people. So her cousins, the female ones that are yet to get married, came out first. And these are sister dancing, like that joy when my elder sister is getting married and all those stuff. And the joy is knowing that you are the chief bridesmaid. Like, so this was them, this was their shibis. Oh my god. Her friends came wide and near just to celebrate with her. And all those ladies the other side are the husband's friends and family members too. So this is them enjoying. So this was them dancing, celebrating with her. So this is when the bride will come and greet the in-laws. So this is very, very important in Igbo land. You will definitely greet your in-laws so that your in-laws will know that you actually welcome them. To know that you welcome them into your family, letting the bond between those families to bond very, very well, because there is now a bond. So this was the girl, knowing fully well that everybody came to represent, and she was so excited. She has to go under the canopy to greet them one after the other, hug the bride, the groom's mom, the bride, groom's dad, and this is her. Like, this girl is all energy. Like, the energy she has is 101. Like, it's giving. Man, the happiness you can't condone. Even if it's a mini wedding, this mini wedding here is one of the mind blowing wedding I've ever seen in the southeast part of Nigeria. Now, this is her mother. Like the dance, like she danced like she have never danced before. When that joy when you are married to your soulmate. Man, she went far, but at least see the dance now, see dance. She danced with her mom. Her mom was so happy. Joy of every mother seeing their children getting married. Like, It was a mind blowing event, my people. Oh, it was. Oh. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Stay glued to this channel. This is a channel where you'll be getting any kind of premier poser that you deserve. Almost see dance now. Ngwa were ya, pekem, pekem, pekem. Oh my god, it was so nice. You know, when she danced so well that made the groom's family to stand up and come and gift her and spray her money. You know, she danced well. Like, man, guys, I won't lie. This part of Igbo culture is one culture I don't like missing out in an event. I love capturing every moment. I love it. So this is when she's ready for her second greeting. Before then, they wanted to do a photo shoot again, so they will have pictures. And this time around, she's representing a full-time Yoruba lady, a Yoruba bride. You know, Igbo converted to Yoruba, so this was their outfit, guys. You know, all this moment I was feeling emotional. Okay, they called her to come and come and look for her husband. A part I love the most, guys. Oh my god. This is the part I love the most, like looking for the husband that you have been with, husband that you have been staying with. You now come and look for the husband. Okay, still good. Tradition must be accomplished. So they were traditionally sealed. So this was when she was going to her father for the drink. So you see, I think her clothes was so tight. Guys, I didn't hide anything. I got everything the way it should be. Like everything, I got it. So now this was when she was now they have already handed the drink to her. So she wants to go and give it to her husband. So she's now looking for the husband. Yeah, this is when her friends was telling her this is where your husband is. So go straight because it was already late. So everybody wants to go home on time. But no, man, I refused to go home even though it was already to 7. I said I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. I must get this. Like this is a one time meaning wedding I've seen for how many years now. Like I said, no, I will have to get every event. Like I can't live without capturing this moment. So guys, I captured everything. So she was now looking for her husband. Oh my god. Ngwa, let's go guys. Let's watch this together. I say you should stay glued to this channel. Stay glued. Oh. So you won't miss out. See, they don't find the man now. They don't find Oga. If you gone, I forgot Oga. Sorry if you're not Igbo. Man, I got to speak my dialect. Like I got to speak it. They don't see Oga na afọ na di afụgo di now ebe a wụ oge eji agọzi di na nwunye. Let their marriage be blessed among marriages. Let their marriage be accomplished with children, joy, happiness. This was the time the father of the bride blessing them, and this was the cake cutting moment. Oh, we are about coming to the end of this drama, this story. So now they cut the cake using the name of Jesus, and this was when they are telling them, kiss the bride, kiss the bride. The guy is so shy. See now, he's a wife, you paid the price. God was so, guys, bye.